Becky from the Hometown Explorer here with Bistro Buddy at the Sunwine Food Fest. So we're here with Adam from Counter Weight Brewing. So tell us a little bit about the business.
So we're a Connecticut-based brewery in Cheshire, central part of the state. We specialize in more of the lagers and the IPAs of the world. We've been around for about 7 years now, and we've got a tap room 5 days a week. We're open, and we just like to make really high-quality beer, and at the same time, really kind of charge affordable prices. So we're distributed throughout the state of Connecticut, and now in a little bit of Western Mass. So
awesome. So here, show us a little bit of what you brought with you.
Yeah. So I'll start in the middle here. This is actually our flagship. This is Headway. This is our #1 selling beer. It's actually the top-rated IPA in Connecticut right now. It accounts for 70% of our overall sales. So this is kind of our baby that we invest a lot of time and effort into. Workhorse is our German-style pilsner. This is the one I'm actually drinking. It's my personal favorite. Nice, light, but very hoppy. These two are year-round, and you can pretty much find them anywhere in Connecticut at this point. And then we have our double IPA, Crucial Mass. This is a big New England style 8% IPA. And then for our stout lovers, because this time of year people like to drink dark beer, this is Voided. It's a traditional English style oatmeal stout, flaked oats, 7% dark, rich, hearty, and warms you up this time of year. And then we just released this IPA. It's called Mindflow. It's got some fun hops. We use Nelson Sauvin cryo hops as well as some strata hops. So this has close to no bitterness, and it's really a true New England style IPA. So
awesome. So where can people find you guys online to see where you guys are distributed or see what you guys have going on at the brewery?
We're on Instagram, Counter Weight Brewing. We're on Facebook. We have our website, and we're open 5 days a week. Every day except Monday and Tuesday, and we got a great tap room outdoor in the summertime, but a lot of space indoor. And we just like to, it's a little bit European feel. We don't have TVs or anything, but we have food trucks, and we usually have some events on the weekends. So check us out, and looking forward to see anyone and everyone. So.
All right, well, Adam, thank you so much for taking the time.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.